Since we're not going to see each other to go over this daily review from today, let's go over it through recording. Sonia and Dante each earn tickets while playing games at an arcade, as shown. We see our table down here that tells us Sonia earned 29 tickets, Dante earned 34 tickets. Our question says, Sonia and Dante decide to combine their tickets to get a prize. If they use 45 tickets to get the prize, how many tickets are left over? So there are actually two parts of this number sentence or this word problem. Okay, so we need to make sure that one of the steps that we take when we are looking at word problems is that we must read it and understand what we are needing to do. So don't just jump into adding or subtracting those numbers and think you have an answer. The first part asks how much it's going to be if they combine their tickets. So Sonia and Dante decide to combine their tickets to get a prize. All right, so first we need to combine those numbers. That means to add, combine, put together. Okay, so if I first add these numbers, 9 plus 4 is 13. Carry my 1. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 3 more is 6. So the amount of tickets they have combined is 63 tickets. The second part of our question says, if they use 45 tickets to get the prize, how many tickets are left over? So now we need to subtract. Okay, if I took the 63 that we knew was their tickets combined, and we subtract how many they used to get the prize, 45. Okay, right here, 45 tickets. And then we can find out how many tickets they had left over. Okay, well, in this problem, it's subtraction. We cannot do it the way it is. We're going to have to borrow. I need to make this 3 here bigger so I can take 5 away from it. I'm going to borrow a group of 10 from my higher place value. Okay, so now I have 13. I can take 5 out of 13, and if I do that, I have 8 left. Okay. All right, now I have 5 here. I'm going to subtract 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. Okay. So how many tickets were left over? We had 18 tickets left over. So again, making sure that we're taking that time to understand what the question is actually asking. And sometimes we have to do more than one step to get to our final answer. One of the clues here that it was a multiple step equation was that if they used 45 tickets to get the prize. Well, if we looked up here, neither one of them had 45 tickets to start with. Okay, so that should have clued us in that we needed to combine this. Right here it says combine. And then we can take that 45 away. So again, the answer was A. 18 tickets were left over after they bought the prize.